Hey guys, welcome to the Nitch Dominator. My name is Shane, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one strategy that you can do today to help you master your niche, dominate your niche, or if some people say niche. I like the word niche. It works for me, but you can use niche if you want. So what is the one strategy that you need to do this week? What's one thing that you can do? Let me just go to my screen, go to the whiteboard. Let me share this. Okay, so you've probably seen this done before, and this is, I'm going to do my best to draw this. You've probably seen this. This is called a sales staircase. So you show up to a free, maybe it's a free webinar. And maybe it's a free book, something free. They call these lead magnets. So maybe it's a book. Could be a video, could be a webinar. Boy, that takes a while, doesn't it? And then somebody has an offer. They have something for you. Maybe it's a bigger book or a little mini video course. Who knows what it is? Maybe it's a video. And then inside the video, they have another tab, which is basically like an upsell. The second you buy this one, there's another video course. And you're like, okay, I'll buy that. And then inside this tab is another one. It's a $4.97 bump. They call this a little bump, little sales bump, because you got your credit card out. So you buy this. And then you see something here. This is what they're trying to get you to do, was to buy this, which is maybe $1,000. Right? So you buy this. So now you got all this shit. You got this shit. You got this shit. You got this shit. You got this crap. And you got more shit here. Boatloads of stuff to do. But all you wanted to do is you wanted to get to this here. But they didn't show you that here. They tortured you by telling you everything is free, and then you get, oh, okay, I'll get this book. That makes sense. I got thousands of dollars, but sure, I'll buy this book, and then I'll buy this thing, and then this thing, and it's just, it's stupid. It's a waste of time. It's a waste of your time. And I even see an influencer out there, and I won't mention the name, that is using this tactic here. It's basically, if you give me your email, well, this is not a very good book. I'm going to give you this book, and it's going to show you 30 funnels that you can use to help you get more clients, to get you more business, all this sexy stuff. So 30 funnels. Like I said, I won't mention the person's name. This book is 585 freaking pages. I don't care how free your book is. I want to make cash. I don't want to read. I already have a library behind me. Last year I read 50 books. I don't want to read all this crap. Even if it's gold, do you know how long it's going to take me to process and get through all this stuff? Yeah, it's going to take long. So that's not what I do. So I have one offer. Okay. This is what I do. I make a YouTube video. I put a booking link in my calendar or in my description. And then they go to a Zoom call or a phone. I do a little bit of a presentation. Maybe it's about 40, usually about 40 minutes. Let's just say 40 minutes. Basically just asking them questions, seeing what they're doing, what's going on right now in their world, trying to figure out where the gap is. If they are here, well, this is not very good. If they're here, how do they get to here? Okay. And if they want to solve their problem over here, I can usually help them. If I can't, I'll just tell them. I'll just say, I can't help you because you have no idea what niche you're in. You don't have a service. You don't have anything. Can't really help you. Like I don't know what else you want to do. I can coach you and stuff and maybe help you figure things out. But if you don't have any idea, any product or whatever, maybe this isn't the fit until you figure it out. No harm, no foul. But if you're like, you know what? I have a course, I have a coaching seminar that I do each month, quarterly, whatever it is. I'm a consultant. I just want to make some extra cashola. That's fine. So then I will say, yeah, if you want to work with me, I just make them an offer. That's it. I make them an offer at the end of my webinar. If they want to work with me, that's fine. They just have to pay me. And I'm not going to disclose what that is in this video, maybe down the road. But I'll share with you in another video why you have to have whatever your service is. It has to be $3,000 or above. Okay. So you have to have that kind of mindset that if you're going to work with me, you should have at least $3,000 to invest. That's it. It's pretty straightforward. If you don't have any money, then maybe just this isn't the timing. Maybe logistically it's just not working out for you. That's fine. You don't need to book a call with me, but if you wanted to book a call anyway, maybe I can help you figure out some ways that you can be resourceful to get the funds together and all this kind of stuff, and then work with me. If not, just do what you've been doing. Like, if nothing's been working for the past 3 months, nothing's going to change in the next 3 months for you. I hate to break it to you. So you can continue to just watch my YouTube channel, get ideas. Like I'm going to be sharing with you more ideas, but if you want to just shorten that gap, shorten that time frame and do it this week, then I can help you out. Hopefully that makes sense. I'm going to continue to keep making videos like this till you get the idea that you should be doing this right now. If you're a consultant, if you're a coach, if you're an advisor, if you have a program that you're teaching right now, maybe it's a curriculum, whatever it is, and it's online, and you're just like, man, I can't go on charging $100 a month, $200, $500. It's not enough money. You need to bump your service up to at least $3,000 per client. And you need to have a system in place where this is all automated. So like I said, you go to my description, you book a call with me. I put in the times that I'm working, which is usually Tuesday to Thursday, just 3 days a week. That's it. I allow time for coaching one-on-one. I allow time for going for jogs. My son and I run hills. We go to jujitsu, all this kind of stuff. And if you think that this could work for you, this type of model, I'd be happy to help you out. You can try it on your own right now and just, like I said, just look at some of my other videos. I show you exactly how to do this. And if you're still stuck and you're like, man, I don't know what to price my product, I don't know what to charge, I don't really know. I have an idea of my niche, but I'm not really sure. That's fine. We can figure it out together. That's why you jump on a call. There's no obligations, 45 minutes. Don't worry about it. There's no pressure, no sales pressure whatsoever for me. Again, my job is to simply have enough appointments in my week where I'm just getting people to decide if they want to solve their problem or if they don't want to solve their problem. If they don't want to solve their problem today, that's fine. We can figure it out another day. I'll be around. If they don't have enough funding, we can figure out a payment plan, options, whatever. You just got to talk to me. It's pretty straightforward. That's it. And this is what you should be doing with all your clients. Bump up your game. Dominate your niche. This is Nitch Dominator. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now. See ya. Peace.